Hey, Sneaking Us back again today. We're back with the BBC Microbit, and today we're going to make a rock, paper, scissors game. Really simple one. Use it in school. It's easy peasy. So if you want to go and get yourself a Microbit, and give it a go. It's easy peasy. So first, we're going to go to Input. I'm going to move over on Shake. Shaky, shaky, shaky. So basically, when you shake the Microbit, it will give an answer. So up here we've got the on Shake, can you see? Super. Next, we need to make a variable. Okay. And we're going to call this tool. Yeah, just random name. It's called tool. Thank you. Next, we want to move over a set item. And we change item to tool. Okay. We're going to make another variable in a minute as well, by the way, before I say anything else. Then we need to go to maths. And we need to go to pick random. Okay. We get our pick random block, our maths block. And we change the 4 to 2 for the simple reason the programming counts 0 as something. Because obviously, rock, paper, scissors, you have a rock, you have paper, you have scissors. You could even put in lizard Spock if you wanted to. Okay, it's actually drawing a lizard that's going to be a bit of a pain. Next, we're going to go to the next bit. Okay, so here I'm going to go to Basic and get on Start. Now with this one here, I'm just going to leave it there and move this one over. I'm also going to put a variable in there. So here we go. We go to our variables. Set. Tool. Okay. Done. Now we're going to make another variable. Okay. So make another variable. We're going to call it tool2. Nice and easy. So we click OK. There we go. And we'll change this one here to tool2. Does that make sense? Of course it does. So over here on start, the whole tool is set to 0. Okay. When we shake it, set tool2 from a random number. Easy peasy. Next we need some logic. Okay. So open up logic, and what we need is an if then. Okay. So I'm going to drag that over and put it right there. So if something is true, etc., etc. Back to our logic again. We want 0 equals less than 0. Oh, move it over. We want to chuck that in there. In here, we just get another variable. Tool2. Set that in there. So if tool2 is blah-de-la-de-la, it will do something. Right, the next bit we want to do is draw some stuff on our LEDs. Now remember, the BBC Microbit's got 25 LEDs in the square. So you have to be a bit creative here. So for paper, I'm just going to do this. Now sometimes I do this quite slow. Remember, this is a web-based thing. It's web-based. Web-based. I tell you what, I didn't tell you where to go. You need to go to the Microbit.org site here to get the Microbit tool here. Okay. Shows you how to program. I'll leave it in the links below after you've watched the video. So, we're going to call that paper. Yeah, we're going to call that paper. Looks good to me. Next point is, we need to put an else if. I even said that wrong. So see that little icon here? If we go here, and drag that over to here, do you see how it changes? So it makes the logic slightly different from than it was before. Then we go back to our logic again. Okay. If less than, and we're going to put that there. Go back to our variables, tool2 again, back in that one there. And we're going to change 0 to 1 because we're going to put a different pattern in, aren't we? We're going to do rock. Rock. Yeah, rock. So show LEDs again. Bring it down. Super. So what should we have for rock? I know, we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That looks good enough to me. Okay. Looks super duper. Yeah. All agreed? All agreed. So the next one's going to be quite easy, isn't it? You should know what it is. We're going to go back to our little icon up here. And we need to put else. Okay. We'll read through the code in a second and see what I mean. Click on here. Now we've got an else block. Can you see? So now we need to go to basic. Drag our LEDs down again. And we're going to make some scissors, or scissors. So let's be inventive, okay? So, done that again. We'll be a bit inventive when it does it eventually. So up we go. And that looks like scissors. To me it does anyway. That's the nearest we're going to get for the time being, don't you think? Yes, of course we do. And that is basically it. So, if we go to shake, the first one we get is scissors. Shake again. Ooh. Shake again. Shake again. Okay. We'll shake again. And we'll shake again. Can you see where we're coming from? So I'm going to read through the code for you so you know what we're doing. So on shake, we set tool 2 to pick a random number between 0 and 2. Easy peasy. If tool 2 is less than or equals 0, it's going to show paper. If it doesn't, if else, is tool 2 is set to 1. Yes, you know I'm coming, Tom? Yeah, of course you do. It goes to here for a rock. And if it's not one of those, it does the scissors. So exactly like this. See? Rock, scissors, 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 rock, etc., etc. Now you can see this in JavaScript as well. So what I'll do, I'll click here so you can actually see the code in JavaScript. See? I actually think it's easier in JavaScript than it is in blocks, but if you're 7 years old, the blocks are a bit easier, if you know what I mean. So that's how you make a real basic rock, paper, scissors game. Now I'm going to expand on this next week into a group rock, paper, scissors game. Yeah, a group one, you know what I'm saying? So you can play as teams, basically, at the end of the day. But that was really easy, wasn't it? Yeah. Sneaky Linux out. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.